How you guys doing? Thanks for watching. This is George coming to you live from my messy workbench. Been a busy week here at Wicked Warnings, but I wanted to bring a little bit of video out to you and show you these new products that we're carrying, both by Technic. Technic's a real good trailer LED, heavy truck LED company. They're new in the market, American made, real good company. And we're proud to support them. And this particular light, this is what they call their race light. And it is meant for inside of trailers or inside of the back of trucks or anywhere that you need some solid task lighting in a bright white configuration. You can see here it has a little bit of an angle to it. So when you mount it, it does cast the light just a tiny bit that way, but it is a very, very good 45-degree spread of light out of this product. Nice and black, very cool. The other light, another floodlight, is their load light right here. Now this has a specialized lens. You can see that fluting that's on the back side of the lens right here. This light is meant to mount on the back of the trailer up high, or on the back of a truck up high, and this lens actually floods the light out this way. So for instance, on the back of a truck, this will completely illuminate the loading ramp and dock area behind the truck here. So these work exceptionally well up high on trailers and up high on trucks, pointed down. When you need a good 10-foot circle of light right on the ground, you get this about 8 or 9 feet in the air, and that'll work out great. And then as well, this for the inside of the box of the trucks or trailers, or I mean, hell, you could put it up underneath the trunk of a car if you really needed some bright trunk lighting. So these are both very good lights. They're both about the same price factor, and just extremely good quality from a great American local company. Let me light them up for you. Alrighty, like as you can see, extremely bright. All the specs are going to be on the website. I'll assure you that these are not a soft white light. These are in fact a bright white traditional 5K light. So I like them. We're going to be using them a lot. Look for them on our builds, and stay tuned for more.